someone comes to your home while you're staying outside. There is an intelligent monitor that connects to your smartphone.
Welcome to Commax Hey Call.
Real-time call and control the door release. CCTV IoT interworking. Motion detection and recording. Just touch it conveniently anywhere you want. Before registering the CDV-70QT to the Commax Hey Call app, there are several preparations. Search for the Commax Hey Call in the App Store and install it.
Before connecting, please make sure the product and the smartphone should be connected in the same Wi-Fi.
Just a second. Do you stand in front of the monitor? Connection must be done in front of the wall pad. Now, let's connect with smartphone. Press Add Device. Press the product icon and select device to add. The connection is complete. So easy, isn't it?
Do you want to add family members to use the app?
Select Home Management, create a home, and register your house. Select the added My House. Click Add Member and send an invitation code to family by message. After the family member receives the message, enter the invitation code.